Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all my YouTube family and friends. Hope you're all having a wonderful, blessed day today. It's hot here in Indiana. The heat index is going to hit 100 degrees. Lighting's not very good in the kitchen. Standing windows behind me. But today we are doing fried apples. And some may call them stewed, but I've always called them fried. And that's what my mom always called them, fried apples. So I'm going to bend you down here and show you how I fry apples. I'm using a number 10 iron skillet. To that, I am going to add a half a stick of butter. And I don't know about you all, but I like my apples to get a little dark when frying them. And I also like to, I've got 6 apples. And I believe these were Washington apples. I don't know for sure. Turn that down, you could see where it's butter will be a little, butter will burn a lot quicker. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of vegetable oil to that. And I like to add a couple of capfuls of lemon juice to my apples. It just gives it flavoring, and it also helps the apples to keep from turning. And we'll give that a little bit of mix it up. Fried apples are so good. So I'm going to add this to the skillet. Got one chunky there that needs to be cut up, sliced in two. Give that a little stir. Get all that good flavoring, the butter, and put that up. I'm going to add some cinnamon. You want to add, just sprinkle you on some cinnamon. All over them. If you like cinnamon, use what you like. I'm going to add, sprinkle on a little bit of nutmeg, and boy, for long, this house is going to smell real good. It's all the apples I had. When I fry apples, I usually fry about 10. There's another one, but now I peeled all the apples except for one, and you will see, because I like just the color that it gives to the dish. And I'm not kidding you, I can't make enough of these. My grandson absolutely loves these. Okay, to that, I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of water. Stir that around. These are oh so delicious. Now I'm taking you down to memory lane again. To that I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of sugar. Now this sugar is what is going to caramelize these apples. You do not want to cover these apples because you don't want them to get mushy. So you just want to incorporate all of that butter and the sugar. And now I always use a wooden spoon when I do apples. That helps, the wooden spoon helps keep the apples from turning when it hits that metal. So, now I'm going to let these cook down, all the liquid that's in there. You want that to cook down. Earlier today I did some stewed potatoes. I'll show you over here. Get you around here. But I did stewed potatoes. And that's going to be part of our dinner. So, if you want to know how to do the stewed potatoes, then you need to go watch the video on that. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook until all that liquid is brought down, and then I'm going to bring you back. Okay, so we are back, and I want you to look at these apples. They are absolutely gorgeous in color. They have caramelized really well. And we, like I said, we do like ours a little brown. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than this. The aroma of the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Oh. Should be able to smell this all over the world. I wish y'all were here to have some of these. We'll tilt the pan, look at that. I cooked that all the way down where the juices were, wow. Smells just wonderful. Like I said, this will take you back to your old country road. Take you back to memory lane. So that's what we have. They are done. They are super hot. We'll dish me up a few of them. Oh. Look at that. So I'm going to move you over here to the counter. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day. But like I said, I've been going down memory lane. Seemed like all week. And I have run across my mother's ode. It's called a Bible Promise box. And this one years ago was Billy Graham Evangelist Association. She's had that I don't know how long. She also had one that it was shaped like a loaf of bread. And I don't know whatever happened to that. But yeah, I run across that. Looks like there's a few missing. But I'm sentimental and I like to keep things. But I come across while the apples were cooking. And you know, a lot of you out here probably don't want to hear this, but the end is near. It is definitely near. Look around, listen to everything that's going on in this world. All the shootings every day. Just watch your news. Every day there are shootings. And it's sad to say, but most of them are children. Children doing this. And, you know, but like I said, the time is near. And the Bible does say, you know, kids will turn on their parents. And it goes on and on. I guess I got to be careful what I say on here. But anyway, one of the verses here, it says, Blessed is he that readeth, and keep those things which are written therein, for the time is at hand. Yes, it is at hand. Yeah, so we all better be ready and be prepared for our Lord Jesus Christ. So, anyway, let me take a bite of these apples. There it is. My goodness. These would even be good if you just put some ice cream on them, but this is what we're going to have for dessert. I mean, I can never fry enough of them. Grandkids love them. So, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I want to thank all of my YouTube followers and subscribers. Until the next time, you have a wonderful and blessed day.